Hello everyone! First on this week's OTT lineup is Enola Holmes 3, streaming on Netflix from July 1st. The brilliant young detective returns with another exciting mystery packed with suspense, clever twists, and thrilling action. If you enjoyed the previous Enola Holmes adventures, this latest chapter promises another entertaining investigation filled with surprises. If you're a fan of mystery and adventure movies, don't miss this one. 2. L. Next up is Elle, streaming on Prime Video from July 1st. This emotional drama follows the journey of a strong woman as she navigates personal challenges, relationships, and life-changing decisions. With heartfelt storytelling and powerful performances, Elle is a great choice for viewers who enjoy meaningful, character-driven stories. It's definitely worth adding to your weekend watch list. 3. Worst Neighbor Ever. Worst Neighbor Ever arrives on Netflix on July 1st. The story revolves around hilarious neighborhood conflicts where everyday situations quickly spiral into complete chaos. 4. Human Vapor. For thriller fans, Human Vapor premieres on Netflix on July 2nd. This Japanese sci-fi thriller explores a mysterious phenomenon that leads to dangerous consequences, combining suspense, mystery, and psychological drama. Its unique concept and dark atmosphere make it one of the most intriguing releases this week. If you enjoy suspenseful stories, this one's for you. 5. Super Subbu. Telugu viewers have something exciting this week with Super Subbu, streaming on Netflix from July 2nd. This comedy series follows Subbu as he gets caught in funny situations while trying to balance family, work, and relationships. With entertaining humor and relatable moments, it's a perfect choice for a light-hearted binge. Don't miss this fun Telugu entertainer. 6. Isakapatnam. Another Telugu release is Isakapatnam, arriving on Netflix on July 2nd. Set against a coastal backdrop, the story blends drama, emotion, and suspense while exploring the lives and struggles of its central characters. The realistic setting and engaging narrative make it one of this week's notable regional releases. A good pick if you enjoy serious dramas. 7. Preetham and Pedro. Streaming on Jio Hotstar from July 3rd, Preetham and Pedro brings a refreshing mix of humor and emotions. The story focuses on friendship, unexpected situations, and heartwarming moments that make for an entertaining family watch. With a unique storyline and enjoyable performances, this release is expected to attract audiences looking for feel-good entertainment. Be sure to check it out this weekend. 8. Silo. Sci-fi fans have something special with Silo, premiering on Apple TV Plus on July 3rd. The mystery continues as new secrets unfold inside the underground world where humanity struggles to survive. Known for its gripping storytelling and stunning visuals, Silo remains one of the best science fiction series available today. Definitely a must-watch for sci-fi lovers. 9. Muthasi. The Malayalam folk horror series Muthasi premieres on ZEE5 on July 3rd. Blending traditional folklore with supernatural mystery, the series follows a chilling story rooted in local legends and eerie secrets. All episodes will be available exclusively on ZEE5, making it an excellent binge watch for horror fans. If you love spooky thrillers, don't miss this release. 10. X-Men 97. Finally, Marvel fans can enjoy X-Men 97, now streaming on Jio Hotstar. The first 3 episodes are already available, with new episodes releasing every Wednesday. Featuring iconic mutants, exciting action, and nostalgic storytelling, the series continues the beloved animated universe for both longtime fans and newcomers. This is one superhero series you shouldn't miss. Closing. These are the biggest OTT releases arriving this week across Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV+, Jio Hotstar, and ZEE5. Which movie or web series are you planning to watch first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mohan YouTube. Every Thursday, I'll bring you the latest OTT releases so you never miss what's streaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.